Have a DDO file from a Tank3D game installation? This is a game data file from the Tank3D action game. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you handle these Tank3D game data files. From my years in support, there is an advanced proprietary solution I use when all other methods fail to open a DDO file. Here's a sneak peek. DDO Files are game data files associated with Tank3D, a tank combat action game. They store game assets including 3D models, textures, sound, effects, level data, and gameplay information used during Tank3D game execution, providing the content needed for the tank battle gameplay experience. DDO files use Tank3D's proprietary format, storing structured game assets with binary data references, texture coordinates, model geometry, and game logic information. The format follows the game engine's specifications for efficient asset loading and runtime processing during gameplay. The native handling utility for DDO files is unknown software by unknown developer. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers restricted visibility, so interacting with these files requires the game engine itself. To open this specific DDO file, right-click your file and select Open With. If unknown software is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Don't worry if it takes a few attempts to find the right software. If your DDO file isn't cooperating, don't worry. The source is most likely one of 3 common issues. Let's review this simple breakdown of the culprits and how to quickly check them. First, loading through game. DDO files load automatically when launching Tank3D from your game installation. Start the game from your installed shortcut or executable, and the engine processes DDO files transparently, providing the necessary game content for tank battles, missions, and multiplayer matches without manual file management. Next, backing up game data. Locate the Tank3D installation directory and copy DDO files along with other game data to backup locations. Backup before applying mods updates or game modifications, ensuring you can restore original game content if changes cause problems. Store backups on external drives or cloud storage for safety. Finally, game modding. Some players use modding tools to modify Tank3D DDO files for custom content. Community modding tools may enable editing tank models, textures, levels, or game parameters. Always backup original DDO files before modifications and consult Tank3D modding communities for tools and resources supporting the game. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. This professional-grade approach allows the software to analyze the file autonomously, which can offer a significantly higher chance of success for stubborn or non-standard formats. When your file is still locked, it means the file's header or structure is truly obscure. Don't waste time. FileMagick is built for this. It opens hundreds of formats and can be found at filemagick.com. Confirm your success in the comments, hit subscribe so you don't miss any of my upcoming technical guides.